Did you know that after 40, your body needs specific nutrients that you might be missing out on? Today, we're diving into 12 natural foods that are not just good for you, they're essential. We'll explore a variety of foods, each packed with vital nutrients to keep you feeling young, energetic, and healthy. From heart-healthy fats to bone-strengthening minerals, we've got you covered. Stay tuned to discover some surprising foods that can make a huge difference in your health after 40. You might find your new favorite health booster on our list. 12. Chia seeds. In today's exploration of natural foods that are particularly beneficial for those over 40, we start our list with chia seeds at number 12. These tiny seeds are like little powerhouses for your heart. They're packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for keeping your heart running smoothly, much like oil keeps a machine well lubricated. Including chia seeds in your diet is as simple as sprinkling them on your yogurt or blending them into your morning smoothie. 11. Blueberries. Moving on to number 11, we have blueberries. These small berries are like nature's brain food. They're loaded with substances that protect your brain cells from damage. This is crucial as we age, since maintaining brain health becomes increasingly important. Blueberries are not just delicious, they're like a shield for your brain, guarding against memory loss and keeping your thinking sharp. Plus, they're perfect for snacking or adding a sweet touch to your breakfast cereal. 10. Kale. At number 10, we find kale, a leafy green that's a powerhouse of nutrition. It's packed with vitamins K, A, and C, more than what you'd find in many other vegetables. Did you know that just 1 cup of kale has more vitamin C than an entire orange? That's right. This leafy green is not just for salads, it's a vitamin C powerhouse, making it great for your skin and immune system. Kale is like a multivitamin in plant form, supporting everything from your bones to your immune system. It's especially good for keeping your bones strong, which is vital as you get older. You can enjoy kale in salads, smoothies, or even as baked chips for a crunchy treat. 9. Almonds. At number 9, we have almonds. These nuts are a fantastic source of healthy fats and fiber, which are great for managing cholesterol levels. Did you know that eating almonds can actually help you lose weight? Despite being high in fat, almonds can reduce hunger and promote weight loss. This is because the protein and fiber in almonds makes you feel full, helping you eat less throughout the day. Think of almonds as a natural tool for keeping your blood vessels clear, much like how a broom sweeps away dust. They're also a handy snack, easy to carry around, and perfect for a quick energy boost. Plus, almonds can be added to salads, yogurt, or even as a crunchy topping on your oatmeal. 8. Quinoa. Moving on to number 8, quinoa takes the stage. This grain is a complete protein source, meaning it contains all the essential amino acids your body needs. This is particularly important for maintaining muscle mass, which tends to decrease as we age. Quinoa is actually a seed, not a grain, and is related to spinach and beets. This makes it a great option for those who are gluten intolerant or looking to reduce their grain intake. Quinoa is incredibly versatile. It can be used in place of rice, added to salads, or even made into a breakfast porridge. It's a simple yet effective way to ensure you're getting enough protein in your diet. 7. Avocado. At number 7, we find avocado. This fruit is rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, which are good for maintaining healthy blood pressure and keeping your heart in good shape. Avocados are also great for your skin, providing it with the necessary fats to stay supple and glowing. You can enjoy avocados in many ways: in guacamole, sliced on toast, or even blended into smoothies for a creamy texture. As we discuss these foods, think about how you can add them to your diet. Have you ever tried making a quinoa salad or adding avocado to your morning toast? What's your favorite way to enjoy almonds? 6. Sweet potatoes. At number 6, we have sweet potatoes. These are not just your regular potatoes. They are a fantastic source of vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining good eye health. As we age, our eyesight tends to weaken, but including sweet potatoes in your diet can help keep your eyes healthy. They are also incredibly versatile. You can bake, roast, or mash them. Plus, their natural sweetness adds a delightful flavor to your meals. Did you know that one medium sweet potato provides more than 100% of your daily vitamin A needs? This makes sweet potatoes an excellent food choice for protecting your eyesight and boosting your immune system. 5. Salmon. At number 5, salmon emerges as a crucial component of a health-conscious diet, especially for those over 40. This fish is more than just a tasty option for your meals, it's a treasure trove of essential nutrients. One of the standout features of salmon is its vitamin D content. Vitamin D is often referred to as the sunshine vitamin because our bodies typically produce it in response to sunlight. However, for those living in regions with limited sunlight or leading lifestyles with minimal sun exposure, dietary sources become vital. Salmon is one of the few natural food sources rich in vitamin D, making it an invaluable addition to your diet. The benefits of salmon extend beyond vitamin D. It is also packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are vital for maintaining a healthy heart. These fatty acids help keep the heart's rhythm steady, reduce the risk of blood clots, and lower the levels of harmful cholesterol, thus playing a significant role in reducing the risk of heart problems. As we age, our risk of heart diseases tends to increase, making it even more important to include heart-healthy foods like salmon in our diet. Moreover, the vitamin D in salmon is essential for bone health. It helps our bodies absorb calcium, which is crucial for building and maintaining strong bones. This is particularly important as we grow older and our bones naturally begin to lose their density. Salmon is not only nutritious, but also versatile and easy to incorporate into your diet. It can be grilled for a quick, healthy dinner, baked with herbs for a flavorful meal, or flaked over a salad for a protein-packed lunch. Its rich, buttery taste makes it a favorite among fish lovers and even those who are generally hesitant about seafood. 4. Broccoli. Moving to number 4, broccoli stands out as a green vegetable that is both versatile in the kitchen and packed with essential nutrients. High in fiber, broccoli is excellent for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Fiber plays a key role in keeping your digestive tract running smoothly, which is crucial for overall health. It helps in regular bowel movements and can aid in preventing digestive issues, which can become more common as we age. Broccoli is also a great source of vitamins C and K. Vitamin C is well known for its role in supporting the immune system and keeping your skin healthy. It also acts as an antioxidant, protecting your cells from damage. Vitamin K, on the other hand, is essential for blood clotting and plays a role in bone health. This green powerhouse can be prepared in various ways, making it easy to add to your diet. It can be steamed to retain most of its nutrients and served as a side dish, stir-fried with other vegetables and proteins for a hearty meal, or even eaten raw in salads for a crunchy texture. Broccoli's versatility and health benefits make it a must-have in your diet, especially for those focusing on maintaining their health after 40. 3. Greek yogurt. As we delve deeper into our list of top 12 natural foods essential for those over 40, at number 3, Greek yogurt stands out as a remarkable choice. This creamy and delicious food is far more than a simple dairy product. It's brimming with probiotics, the beneficial bacteria that are crucial for a healthy gut. As we age, our digestive system's efficiency can decline, making it harder for our bodies to absorb nutrients from the food we eat. Greek yogurt, with its probiotics, helps in maintaining a healthy digestive tract, ensuring that our bodies get the most out of the foods we consume. Moreover, Greek yogurt is an excellent source of calcium, a mineral vital for maintaining strong bones. With age, our bones can become more fragile, making them susceptible to fractures. Regular consumption of calcium-rich Greek yogurt can help in preserving bone density and strength. It's incredibly versatile in the kitchen. You can add it to your breakfast smoothie, use it as a base for a healthy dip, or simply enjoy it with a drizzle of honey and some fresh fruits. 2. Turmeric. Coming in at number 2 is turmeric, a spice that not only adds a vibrant color and a warm, earthy flavor to dishes, but also offers significant health benefits. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory properties. For those over 40, joint pain and inflammation can be common issues, and incorporating turmeric into your diet can help alleviate these discomforts. Turmeric's use in traditional Indian medicine spans thousands of years, highlighting its enduring health benefits. It's not just a culinary ingredient, but a time-tested remedy for various ailments. You can easily add turmeric to your diet by sprinkling it in your soups, stews, or rice dishes. For a comforting beverage, try turmeric tea or the popular golden milk, a combination of turmeric, milk, and a touch of sweetener. 1. Green tea. Finally, at the top of our list at number 1 is green tea, a beverage revered not just for its soothing qualities, but also for its health benefits. Green tea is packed with powerful antioxidants that protect your cells from damage. This protection is crucial, especially as we age and our cells become more vulnerable to various forms of damage, including environmental factors and normal aging processes. Green tea's antioxidants are believed to be even more potent than vitamin C, making it an exceptional choice for maintaining cellular health. Regular consumption of green tea can also aid in supporting a healthy metabolism, which is beneficial for weight management. Incorporating green tea into your daily routine is easy. It can be enjoyed hot or cold, making it a versatile beverage for any season. Green tea contains a type of antioxidant that is believed to be more powerful than vitamin C. This makes it an excellent choice for protecting your cells and maintaining overall health. Today, we've explored 12 incredible natural foods that are not just delicious, but are powerhouses of nutrition, especially for those over 40. From chia seeds to green tea, incorporating these foods into your diet can make a significant difference in your health and well-being. Remember, good health starts on your plate. So which of these foods will you try first? Thanks for watching, and here's to your health.